Hey everybody, Lee from PcjunkieMods here. So it's been a busy month. I've had five builds to do. I did the half stacker for Cooler Master, and I've also been working on 4 Bitfenix Phenoms for Intel. They requested 4 identical systems with the blue digital camo. So my buddy from Air Raid Airbrush, Nano, he actually did all the paint. These cases are kind of hard to work with because they have like a rubberized coating. So he had a lot of prep work to get that off the best he could. A lot of prep work to get that stuff off. It was not very easy. And then also, basically all the systems will have just a basic spec. All the systems will have the Rampage Gene motherboards in them. They have the Intel all-in-ones, the Corsair AX860 power supply, which I did all the sleeving on. Then we have I want to say 16 gigs of Vengeance RAM. I'm not sure if it's 1600. I'd have to look. And then they'll all have the 780 Ti video cards in them. And they all have Intel i7 4960X processors. Bitfenix was kind enough to send me some fans and some replacement panels because I had some problems with a couple of the panels. And I just wanted to give them a shout out. Thank you for sending the fans. So we got the big 230mm fan on the floor. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use the 140s with the AIOs, but for the most part, the 230 will make a nice addition for airflow coming in. Some of the things I did to the case, besides obviously the paint, is I cut out the window. That's pretty much it. I made some alterations for the SSD bracket, and I'll flip this around and actually show you the SSD bracket mount. What I did is it comes with a mount that goes all the way across from top to bottom. But what I ended up doing is I re-drilled the hole here and put the SSD on the back door, so all I got to do is plug the 2 wires in, and it's literally, my SATA cable will probably be like 5 inches long, the SATA power. So it's a nice little back in the corner here, out of the way. Intel said that the SSD didn't have to be shown. So, and this is the Intel 180 gig 520 series kick-ass drives. So I've been working on the sleeving for the past couple days. 24 pins almost done. I just got to do my double pins. So the sleeving is all Lutro Customs Telio sleeving. He was kind enough to help us out with some sleeving. So throughout the system, all the sleeving in there is from Lutro Customs. I even got some of his logos and put them on the side of the power supplies. So I got four wires here on the 24 pin that are actually double wires, and what I'll end up doing is running single wires into here, and then I'll do a split about 2 inches up or so and splice it off to where it needs to go. Yeah, I think or I may do a jumper out of here. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out because this is pretty short and hard to work with already. But for the most part, you can see all the wires are custom cut. I have an LED light bar that's ran across the top here that is bridged straight into the power supply via this wire. You see the blue wire coming down. That's the light bar, and then the PCI Express. They're all custom cut down. The 6-pin is 5 inches, and I think the 8-pin is 6 inches. And then you have the custom cut. All the wires are all custom. I built them all from scratch. The 8-pin is like 17 inches long because it's going to get zip tied down in the back corner. It's not zip tied in yet. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up these builds. These are ready to be delivered to Intel. One thing that I forgot to mention earlier was that per Intel's request, in the corner here is the die logo. It's called the Intel Peel logo, actually. You see that on most of your box processors and stuff like that. So there you have it. It is clear coated behind the clear coat, so and hopefully it'll stay on there. Won't have any issues with it peeling up. So that pretty much wraps it up. I'd like to say thank you to Mike Landenberger from Lutro Customs, Bitfenix for supplying some fans, and to my buddy Alex for hooking me up with this little connection with Intel and getting this job. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Until next time.